Ma'am, sir, if you are looking for a prime property, name what you want. Facing sunrise, corner lot, and at the same time, you have a pocket garden po on the side po. Napakaganda ng area na to, ma'am, sir. So, this is 3 bedrooms, 174 square meter for your lot area and 94 square meter for the floor area. Tingnan nyo po dito. So, corner lot po siya. Kagandahan po nun. This is your parking po. Ito yung parking niyo. So, in this unit, ma'am, sir, you have a separated po na laundry and dirty kitchen. Ang kagandahan po nito. Ayan po. So, facing sunrise. Napakaganda po. Tahimik po sa area nito. Ako lang siguro maingay. So, ayun. On this side naman po is your garden. Ayan siya. Can you imagine, ma'am, sir, yung anak nyo want to play po. So, andito lang sa kabilang side. So, may playground dito, may basketball court, name it. So, ayan po. Ito po yung unit niya. Clean title po itong property, ma'am, sir. At AK Realty, ma'am, sir, this is our available at Avida Settings, Snow Valley. So, this property, ma'am, sir, is Ziegler Cove Street po. So, once again, ma'am, sir, if you are interested for this prime location po ng property, name what you want. Corner lot, facing sunrise. You have a pocket garden. Message po kami dito, AK Realty. 24/7 po sasagutin namin yan. So, thank you po.